The analog sandbox model, or known as ASM, has been integrated as part of the learning activities and alternative assessment for students pursuing fourth year in Basin Reservoir Study in Petroleum Geoscience degree at UTP. This alternative assessment aims to meet the second course learning outcome, which is to evaluate the development of various sedimentary basins in the geodynamics. The ASM has been introduced in Practical 3 and Practical 4, which carry a total of 20% coursework for this subject. Previously, students used printed seismic images to conduct interpretations of the basin, but it is restricted only to the scale of the printed seismic images, and they are not able to visualize the regional structures of the wide 1,000 km scales of the basin. The learning process through ASM is divided into three stages, which is the pre-experiment, scene experiment, and post-experiment. During the pre-experiments, students are briefed with tasks to conduct the experiment, which is a sandbox, and they also do sand coloring activity in the laboratory. Reference materials are provided in ULearn. During the scene experiment, students will conduct the sandbox modeling based on few parameters based on the steps-by-steps guidance that is provided in the instruction book. During this stage, any structure changes that are observed will be measured and recorded. In the post-experiment stage, students will work individually to analyze the results that they have collected earlier during the scene experiment. They will also answer questions that are asked in the guidebook and provide discussion to show a high-level understanding on the basin formation. The effectiveness of this alternative assessment can be measured through the achievements of the course learning outcome, where it gives the course learning outcome to range of satisfied to very satisfied. Feedback from the students were collected and show that their understanding on the basin formations for both extensional and compressional have greatly increased after conducting this alternative assessment. Last but not least, the students enjoy this alternative assessment as part of their learning activities and parts of the learning process through this subject.
56% of the students really enjoy doing the experiment in the laboratory. Equity, diversity, and inclusivity are also considered in this alternative assessment. This alternative assessment is accessible through published paper, conference presentation, a teaching grant, YouTube playlist, and community of practice.